Hi dear friends, we're back again with a new recipe. And today we're making an easy cheesy bread. So for that one, you will need 1 room temperature egg, a teaspoon of salt, a cup of warm milk, 160 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 300 grams of any cheese of your preference. Mix together an egg with milk and salt. After that, add sifted flour mixed with the baking powder. After whisking it, add the cheese and mix everything very well. Grease the pan with few drops of oil. Spread the batter over the preheated pan and fry the bread over the low heat until the bottom turns golden brown. Flip it and fry for a few more minutes. Transfer the bread to a serving dish and spread some butter all over it. Repeat the previous steps with the rest of the batter until it's all gone. And of course, don't forget to spread some butter on the surface of each bread you make. That's it! Our easy cheesy bread is ready. You can cut it into servings and enjoy it hot or cold. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did indeed, please like and share it with your friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please press subscribe and also turn on the notifications button so that you will not miss any new videos. There's a lot more yet to come. Bye-bye!